Hello guys, my name is Varun Sahu and today our topic is map. So I follow one tutorial and line by line I explain what is this, the mean of the point. So you see, so I open my tutorial. So yeah, I follow this W3 school map tutorial. Okay. So first I read, after that I explain what it is say. So JavaScript maps. So today our topic is JavaScript maps. So a maps hold key value pair where the key can be any data type. In object, you only have a option string and symbol, but in map, your key is any data type like number, string, object, array, anything. Okay. A map remember the original insertion order of the key. Okay. So it is remember original insertion key and a map has a property that represent the size of the map. So in map we have a size property, but in object we have do not have a size property. Okay, so this is the map method mostly. So method. So this is a new map. So we description create a new map object. So using this we are create map set method sets the value of for key in a map. Okay, get method gets the value of a key in a map. Clear, remove all the elements from map, delete, remove a map element specified by a key. So we are delete any particular key, okay, using this delete method. Has return true if key exists in map. If our key is available in our map, so it is using this method. We are access this for each invoke callback for each key value pair in a map. So this is all the methods. Entries return a iterator object key value pair. So we using this we are return our key value pair. Okay. In keys we return keys. In values we return values. Okay. And we this is our size property. So return the number of the map element using this size property. So how to create map? So here it is give one example. Okay. So you can create a JavaScript map by new. So we have a two method, new map and map.setter. So using this we are create our map. So let's check. So new map. So first we use new map. Okay. You can create a map by passing an array to the new map constructor. So create a map, const fruits, new map, apple. So here right, you can create a map by passing an array to the new map constructor. So you see we are pass array and inside we are pass our key and value. So you see, so this is our so fruits got date apple. So apple is 500. So let's check here also in our VS Code. So I take same example that was time constraint, and after that we use this fruits.get and console.log fruits.get. So fruits is our map, and inside map we are get apple. So in apples we have 500. So it is give 500 answer. So not map.js. So you see 500. If I write the bananas, so it is give me bananas. You see 300. So using get method, we are access our base property. Okay. So let's check what is the next point of this uh, tutorial. So right now I am comment out this. So map.set. So next method is map.set. You can add element to map with set method. So we are using set method. We are add our key value. So for example, const fruits new map and fruits.set apple 500, fruit.set banana 300, fruit.set orange 200. So it is similar to previous. So you see, I again take this with example, set example, So here we did, we create one fruits map, okay, and inside fruits map we are simply set this apples and this bananas and this is orange. So it is similar to previous example, okay. If I again console this, console.log fruits dot get and here bananas. So bananas is sorry, orange is our keys. So keys value is 200. So it is give me 200. So you see 200 is coming here. So first I clear this, those, yeah. So this is the answer, and so this is our set method. You said anything. For example, I add one method here. Uh, so if, for example, if this is not available yet, so what is give? I check here. So node map.js. So it is give me undefined because orange key is not available in our map. Okay. And for example, I create one puts here set anything. I set yeah, tomato rate 1000, and if I write tomato, so it is set here. You see 1000. So this is the actual mean of set method. So we are simply, so this both way we are create our map, set method and this method. Okay. So this both method to create map. And so right now I am coming out. Let's check what is the next point. So the set method can also be used to change existing map values. Fruit.set apple 500. Okay, okay. So we are, if we need to change, for example, what it say. So you see, if for example this is your apples and we change next value of apples. So previous value is 500 and next value is, I change the value of 2000. So next apple value is 2000. Let's check what is our answer. 2000. You see. So what happened here? It is similar to object. So you see, this is our key. So key. So it is find this and next it is override this value 500. So right now it is the same as this. Okay. So let's check what is the next point of map. Map.get. The get method gets the value of a key in a map. So yeah, it is right. So you see, fruits.get apples. So we take the this value 2000. Let's check what is the next property. So map.size, the size property returns the number of element in a map. So okay, so check, it is return size. Okay, so we simply here console map.size here, and let's check what is the answer. 3. So you see our key value is 3. So 1, 2, 3, and it is also same. So that's why it is give 3. If I change the value, right, uh, uh, tomato, for example, anything, it's white, right? So it is give me what happens, share screen also again. Okay. So I add one map key value here. So right now size is 4. If I console this course only, so what is the happen? You see. So you see, we have a map here. So this is your apple, banana, tomato, and rice. Or you see, this is your value. This is it is give me this our map. Let's check what is the next point. So what happened here? So map dot delete. The delete method removes a map element. So fruit dot delete apples. Okay. So for example, we need to delete this. So using this, we simply we add delete method and we simply delete this. So you see, we are right here point here. So whenever we write dot, so this is the method. Okay. So delete syz. So this is delete in our map. So first I clear this. After that I am showing what is this. So node map.js. You see, we have only three map: apple, banana, and tomato. Okay, or this is our delete because it is so using the delete method, they are delete this. If I need to again delete this, so if I need to delete tomato, so simply again we use this delete method and we write here tomato and again. So you see, we have only two map: apple and banana. Okay. So this is, I think this point is also clear. And let's check what is the next point. So if we come here, so map.clear. So you see the clear method removes all the elements from map. So it is different for delete. In delete only whatever value you give, key you give, it is delete in map. But using clear, all the map is delete. So let's check. So I apply here again. First I made sorry. First I comment this delete method and I show what is the map. So you see this is our four maps and after using this clear we are simply you see what is the next. You see our map is 0 because using this clear method our all the keys are delete and map. So we have also map.hash property. So you see the hash method return true if key exists in map. So for example, so let's check what is it is right and wrong. The hash method returns true if key exists in map. Okay. So let's check this point valid or not. So so this or four dots. So I comment out clear because I need our map. But also it is here also I clear here and node map.js. So you see this is our keys. Okay, this is our keys. And if I console this, if I console this, and after this, so this is our keys. Okay, and after that I use hash method. In hash we give apple keys. So yeah, apple keys is available here. So it is give me true. So let's check what is the answer. And yeah, so node map.js. So you see, apple is available. That's why it is give me true. If for example we have a not apple here, for example I write ABC. So ABC is not available here. So it is give me false. So you see, ABC is not here. So this is the basic method of all maps. And type of written object. Maps are objects. So type of written objects. So type of fruits. So let's check what is the type of our map. So it is written object. So type of here I check type of fruits. So type of fruits, and I clear everything here, and after that node map.js. So you see this is your map. So this that's why here I print maps, and after that we are check type of map. So you see type of map is also object. So guys, type of map is also object. Okay. So let's check what is the next point. Instance of map return method. It is return true. Okay. So this is the most important part of for our interview series. So it is the difference between object and maps. So object not directly iterable. We are not iterate our object. Okay. In map directly iterable. So we are map we are directly iterable using for method for each method. So yeah, and do not have a size property in object. In map have a size property. Okay, and key must be string or symbol. In object only key is symbol, yeah, string, but in map key can any data type like number, string, boolean, symbol, any type. I think object also is a key in map. So you if so this is the main advantage of map. Keys are not well ordered. So in object keys are not well ordered, but in maps keys are ordered by insertion. Okay, have a default key in object, do not have a default key. Okay, so guys, this is the basic operation in our map method. So yeah, and if you like this video, and please like, comment and share. And also I have provide the source code link in I provide W3 school tutorial link here. And you again, you if you have any query, please again watch, yeah, you go through in tutorial. And thank you guys.